Welcome to the 15-minute shower, which includes time to shave your legs. Please turn on the shower and allow it to warm up while you get undressed. I'm here to coach you through the whole process, keeping you on task so that you can get done efficiently. While you shouldn't feel rushed, you should pay attention and act quickly in all these directions to ensure that you are able to get showered and shaved in the allotted time. I also have other shower coaching videos on my channel for different shower needs and times. The water should be warmed up by now, so please step in the shower and I'll begin the timer.
The timer starts now.
Use this time to get your entire body and hair wet and ready for washing. Okay, at this point you should be thoroughly soaked, and it's time to wash up. Start with shampoo. This should take about a minute to lather into your hair.
14 minutes remain.
With the shampoo in your hair, let's now wash your face. Use your soap product and washcloth or scrubber to gently massage your face, removing oils and dead skin.
13 minutes remain.
Don't forget to scrub your ears and behind them too. At this point, let's go ahead and rinse everything off your hair, your face, your whole head.
Twelve minutes remain.
Now it's time to condition your hair. Work the conditioner through your hair, mostly from the middle length to the ends of your hair.
11 minutes remain.
Applying conditioner to the roots can result in your hair looking weighed down or even greasy. This generally applies to people with thicker, longer hair. This step can take a bit of time, so be thorough and efficient. With your conditioner in, we're going to leave it there for a while, giving it plenty of time to condition your hair deeply.
10 minutes remain.
Now let's wash the rest of your body. Lather up your soap, loofah or scrubber and get to work. Make sure you pay special attention to those smell-producing regions, underarms, nether regions, and everything else from neck to toes. Take your time to really cleanse your skin.
Nine minutes remain.
Now it's time to rinse out the conditioner from your hair and wash off all the soap or body wash.
8 minutes remain.
At this point, your skin and hair have warmed up and are softened up enough to shave your legs. Make sure the razor you are using isn't too worn out.
7 minutes remain.
Typically, you can get a few good shaves with the razor before it's time to replace it. There's nothing like a new razor. It gives a beautiful shave, makes the whole process faster, and prevents nicks, cuts, and razor burn. To shave your legs efficiently, lather up your shaving cream or gel and spread it over your leg and shave in sections. Begin near your ankles and work your way up. You shouldn't have to press hard when you shave, and use long, smooth strokes on your legs and shorter, careful strokes near complicated areas like ankle bones. Be sure to rinse the razor every stroke to keep the cutting edge primed and free of hair and shaving cream. When shaving over the top of the knee, it's best to keep it slightly bent, and when shaving the back of the knee, it's best to keep your legs straight.
6 minutes remain.
Shaving against the direction of hair growth gives you a closer, smoother shave. However, if you have sensitive skin or are prone to razor burn, shaving in the direction of the hair growth will help prevent that.
Five minutes left.
At this point, you should have one leg shaved or getting close to being done and working on the other.
4 minutes left. Three minutes left. Two minutes left.
Now hopefully you are just finishing up with shaving your legs and are ready for a final rinse.
1 minute remains. It has been 15 minutes.
It has now been 15 minutes since you stepped in the shower. Turn off the water and dry off. Be sure to apply a moisturizer to your skin, especially your silky smooth, freshly shaved legs. Thanks for showering with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and a comment. If you're not thrilled with your current bathing products, check out the description for links to some high-quality options. And let me know what other versions of this video could be helpful, and I'll make them. I'm here to serve. Now go out there and take on the world, and we'll see you tomorrow.